Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Paperpile and Zotero. Paperpile is a cloud-based reference management tool designed for researchers who primarily use Google services. It integrates seamlessly with Google Drive and Google Docs, allowing users to collect references and PDFs directly from websites and databases with a single click. The platform offers features like PDF annotation, real-time collaboration, and the ability to add citations and bibliographies to documents effortlessly. However, Paperpile is a subscription-based service and requires an internet connection for full functionality. Zotero is a free, easy-to-use tool to act like a professional research assistant to help you collect, organize, annotate, cite, and share research. It automatically sends us research as you browse the web, whether it's an article from G-Store, a preprint from Arxiv, a news story from the New York Times, or a book from a library. Zotero also helps you organize your research in the way you want. You can sort items into collects, tag them with keywords, or create saved research that automatically fill with relevant materials as you work. Both Paperpile and Zotero are strong reference management tools, but the choice depends on your workflow. If you mainly use Google services and want a modern, collaborative cloud-based tool, Paperpile is a good option. If you want a free, versatile tool with offline access and powerful organization features, Zotero is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.